Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G41, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration section. Now just go to the advanced options, and here you can see our default notification sound section. Tap there and now just select one from the notification sound that you will like. Also, if you want, you can just add your own notification sound, for example from the internet or from the Google Drive or from your device music, maybe if you get some. And that's it. Then just tap here to OK, and as you can see, our notification sound has changed successfully to the another one. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.